All right, so we are here with probably one of the most exciting products of the show this year. We are here with the man himself, Nick from Fellow. This is his newest baby, your first Fellow product all the way from the ground up, the Aiden Brewer. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so I think the biggest innovations that we have here are number one, our to the degree temperature control is absolutely unparalleled. I have never seen a brewer that can control temperature and flow rate the way that we can control temperature and flow rate. So it's basically like all of the technology and things that we're known for with Stag temperature control, but in a brewer. And this is the second big thing, is that this is not only a batch brewer. This brewer can truly do 1 cup to 10 cups. And that's also something that I've never seen before on the market. So we really tried to make sure that we could do batches and single serve.
So this is a really big deal, because when I talk about batch brewers, often the biggest comment is, I normally make 1 or 2 cups, and I sometimes have people over. So this is done in a really cool way. There's actually 2 cones that come with this, and more importantly, 2 dispersion settings on the screen. So if we open this up here, we can see right now we have a big flat brewer installed, and if we just pull this out, and we can swap it in now with a single serve conical. And then what you're going to see on the top of the lid here is the actual dispersion screen. We can switch from a batch brew and then go to single, and that's going to reroute the water so that it's brewing optimally for those smaller batches. So it really is kind of attempting to be a no sacrifice system, which is really neat because you're not always brewing for a large group of people. Other interesting details that I noticed here, we have the new screen from the newest Stag line, beautiful, colorful, and the thing that I noticed a lot on it is that's very intuitive. Nick didn't give me any tutorial on this yesterday when I first looked at it, and just going through, there's an instant brew setting, there's a guided brew, which gives you a little bit more selection, but it still walks you through the process. So if you're choosing maybe a medium roast, you select your brew size, you insert the batch basket because we don't have the right one in. But if you want to go back, you just scroll all the way to the left. It's very intuitive to go through. And then of course you can get completely custom in the profile section. And then a few other settings like scheduling and deep settings in there.
I think, just from a coffee nerd standpoint, when people think about single serve at home, there are other brewers in the market that try to do single serve at home, and what we found is that most of the time if you take a lightly roasted coffee and try and do that, your extraction yields are like 17 or 18%. So we spent 6 full months just developing the single serve basket, single serve shower head, single serve pulse control to be able to take really lightly roasted coffees to beyond 22% extraction yield. And I'm talking about coffees from SCA, coffees from Coffee Collective, Wendelbo, La Cabra, I mean the stuff that I like to drink. So this brewer, I believe, truly has it all, from the ultra nerd like me to somebody's mom who just wants to smash a button and make great coffee in the morning.
There you go, from the coffee nerd to somebody's mom, the Fellow Aiden, a very exciting new brewer. Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you so much.